innovation in agriculture, technological leadership, maximum efficiency. This is where they meet. TAP, 60 years of experience by your side. Teshuva Agricultural Projects, TAP, is a leader in leafy crop production and the establishment of modern horticulture projects employing various methods. For more than half a century, we've specialized in growing lettuce, fresh herbs, vegetables, and more in pest-free, pesticide-free greenhouses with minimal labor cost. Our unique growing methods incorporate several components: advanced hydroponic technologies, growing in disconnected substrates, pest protection nets, computerized fertigation systems, water recycling systems, climate control. This approach results in clean, fresh produce with long shelf life while safeguarding the environment and providing other significant advantages: lower labor costs, major water and fertilizer savings, prevention of groundwater and soil contamination, greatly reduced production costs, maximum utilization of production area, minimal pesticide use. TAP's unique production process maintains very high crop yields and uniform produce quality throughout the year. In a world where the demand for agricultural produce keeps on growing, while growing areas are more and more limited, Teshuva Agricultural Projects' unique approach gives growers better control over crop quality and quantity and much higher profits. Since 1957, TAP has been at the forefront of modern agriculture with know-how based on decades of research and in-the-field experience. We've established projects around the world. We adapt our systems to suit the widest range of climatic conditions and topography. TAP brings its customers tailor-made agricultural solutions suited to local conditions and specific requirements. Every TAP project features the most advanced greenhouse crop technology, along with high-quality, cutting-edge equipment. Our customers also enjoy ongoing support from top professionals in the fields of herbs and other flowers, with expert supervision at every stage, from planning through construction and operation, and for years afterwards. TAP brings you a new outlook on agriculture: modern, profitable, clean, and environmentally friendly. Above all, TAP means fresh, quality products at an affordable price. Join us for green success. TAP Projects, 60 years of experience by your side.